Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. I was in the market for something cute and comfortable for an event I had coming up. I also wanted something that I could wear to this event with a skirt, but also be able to wear it to other events or just around the house. And I have found it in this wonderful sweater. It is definitely my favorite sweater. The comfort level is off the charts. It's made out of this wonderful material. It's very thick and warm. This is definitely a winter sweater, but it's not uncomfortable. It's breathable. You are going to feel like you are wrapped in a giant hug. If you look closely at the stitching, you can see how well this is made. This isn't something that's going to rip or tear on you anytime soon. If you take care of it, it's going to take care of you. I love that it has extra long sleeves. I'm not a very tall woman and I don't feel uncomfortable with the sleeve length, but definitely if you have long arms, you're gonna love how long the sleeves are. So I love the design in this. Look how cute and well made these hearts are. I love the stitching in it. The hearts are on the front and the back, sleeves all over it, and they're just beautiful and simple and cute. With the design and the material around the neck, I was worried that this wouldn't fit over my head or that it would feel like it was choking me, but it didn't. It's just overall comfortable and warm. So if you're in the market for a lovely new sweater or a gift for a loved one, then I highly recommend this sweater. And that's my point of view.